How do we know that we are suffering from a disease? Can we see a disease? Of course not. We know that our body is made up of specific organs and tissues. Each of them performs a particular function. When we suffer from a disease, some of these organs do not function efficiently. For instance, the kidneys may not function properly. At times, the body also shows some change in its appearance, like the skin may develop lumps or a change in color. That's precisely when we realize that our body is suffering from some disease. The functioning and appearance of the body is affected when we suffer from a disease. These changes are called as symptoms. For example, when we have a headache, we feel uneasy and restless. These indicate that we are suffering from some disease. Yet they do not tell us which particular disease it could be. The sense of something being wrong is called as a symptom. What are signs of a disease then? When we then visit the doctor based on the symptoms, the doctor looks out for specific signs. He may ask us to do laboratory tests of blood and urine. These will then point out the specific disease you may be suffering from. So symptoms are indefinite and general, while signs are definite indicators of a particular disease. Once these tests are done and the signs identified, only then will we know the disease. What is still unknown is its cause. Do you think disease will have a single specific cause? Let us find out. We have a person who is suffering from malaria. The blood test shows the presence of the malaria parasite. We know that malaria is caused by the bite of the female Anopheles mosquito. That means the area in which this man lived has many mosquitoes. But why didn't everyone in that area suffer from malaria? One could be that the mosquitoes did not bite the other people, but it could also be that the others have a stronger immunity system. Yes, the body has a mechanism to fight all diseases. This man's ability to fight the malaria parasite is relatively lesser. Why is that so? This man does not eat healthy food. He is thin, lean, and weak due to poor nourishment. He can't eat well because he's financially poor, and hence he is undernourished. So what caused this man to fall ill? Was it just the mosquito bite? Primarily, yes, that was the immediate cause of the disease. But the other reason was the lack of nourishment due to poverty. What do we learn from this? Diseases may not be caused by one single reason. There will be several contributory reasons for a person to fall ill. The immediate cause is the attack of microbes, but their attack will be successful only when the body is not immune to it. We will study the major types of diseases in our next video.